So, what is the purpose behind the paralegal position? You know, in some of my videos, I mentioned this to you to give you clarity about what we do every day. But let's go over, there are like 5 things that we do primarily. And it really does depend on, number one, it depends on the area of law you work in. And I'll go over that a little bit later. That's called paralegal duties for specific areas of law. So if you're going into family law, there are paralegal duties in family law, or family law paralegal duties, okay? Number 2 is you are the assistant to the attorney. You are not an attorney. You can't advise clients unless you have a law license, okay? And you've gone to law school, you passed the bar, you were admitted to the bar, and now you've landed a job as an attorney. That's what attorneys do. And they advise the clients, they strategize, and much more. That's not what you do. You're an assistant to the attorney. What you do can be heavily administrative, calling the court clerk, calling the judge's judicial assistant, actually speaking to a judge at times. And it's rare, but you might get to do that. You are setting up depositions. There's so much. If you're working for a person who handles trials, who works trials and goes to court, you will be doing a lot of that, okay? So it's heavily administrative too, some clerical. There's heavy client contact, that's number 4. And number 5 is you will be answering the phones in some capacity. You may be answering a lot of calls if you're in a smaller law firm, or there may be a receptionist in a medium to large law firm and you get calls just for your attorney. So that's just tip of the iceberg of what we do, okay? The most important thing for you is to be happy in the type of law you work in. And how do you know that? Well, you have to do your investigation into paralegal duties for specific areas of law. And I teach you how to do that in the Paralegal Playbook on one of the pages in there. In the middle of the page, I teach you how to research duties. Get the playbook, go over to my website and look under every tab, but look under at paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under the Paralegal Resources Hub tab, sign up and get that playbook totally free. And look in the hub as well. Don't neglect that. There's so much goodness within the hub, and that's all free for you in that, under that tab. And look under all the other tabs and get on the wait list for the 2 classes, Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class.